Pre-move decluttering, February cleaning tips. Pre-move decluttering, moving can be stressful, but getting a head start on decluttering can make a huge difference. Items such as clothing, furniture, or household goods can be given to local charities, many of which will provide tax-deductible receipts. Best Miami Movers offers services that can ease the decluttering process for you. Choosing the right Miami moving company is about more than just availability. Critical decluttering tips. This is a simple and effective way of sorting through your belongings. When dealing with large folders of important documents, scan and store important documents digitally to save space. Whether you're relocating within Miami or heading somewhere new, Best Miami Movers is here to make your move as easy as possible by aiding with your decluttering process. Get more tips and free moving quote in our website bestpricemovingquotes.com.